know if y'all saw my last video, but I had the Air Max, but them mugs was dripping, like, for real, for real. Them mugs was dope. They came fresh, clean, everything. Literally, I just got the box. Like, mailman rang the doorbell, but at the same time, I opened it, because I ain't even read it. I just opened it, so y'all ain't gonna really be able to see the open part, but I seen it was some shoe boxes on top, so I ain't open and see the shoes and nothing like that. Cause I want to bring, you know, first impression and everything, put it on the camera, let y'all see how y'all rocking with it too. But yeah, I was expecting some clothes, so that's what I thought that was. I did get the clothes too, but they put it in separate boxes. All right, so let me show y'all what the word is. You know, the Stadium Goods little paper. I ain't take that off. Stadium Goods, little thank you for your business and whatnot. Got their social medias and all that on there. And boom. My first box is the Air Force One. So bada bing, bada boom. First impression. Box, I don't know why, but boxes just always be kind of beat up. Like, you ain't gonna get no nice looking box for real. It says Stadium Goods on it, so I mean it just got the one sticker right there, so that's cool. So if I want to resell, you know what I'm talking about. What size? I think there's yeah, I got the 11, size 11. I'm really size 11. Sometimes I get a 10.5. But let's go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna let y'all see first. Okay, that's what's up. You know, got the paper. I guess we all gonna see it at the same time. Ooh wee. Yeah, them joints is red. That's bloody right there. That's real bloody. Oh man. Alright, these joints is crazy. Ooh, these J's is crazy. My first impression is like, oh wow. Like for real, like, nah, these mugs punching for real. Hey, they're perfect condition. Ain't been worn. Beautiful. Got them beautiful creases, red laces. Like, yo, this is super red. These mugs is hot. I'm definitely glad I got these. Like, I'm not gonna cap. I wanted to get the all whites, but I've had the all whites. Everybody has the all whites, bro. Like, but like these all reds, bro. Bruh. These mugs is like super mean. My nigga. That's one shoe. Looking good, looking Gucci. They got a little tag on it. A little Stadium Good. Please inspect item before removing this tag. All claims null and void until removed. Oh, so they trying to let you know. So if you ain't digging, better send it back. I mean, it look good, but I don't know if it's so new. But it kind of looked like there's like some glue. Like they took this mug off and kind of glued it or some shit. I don't fucking know. Like it was remade or some shit. I mean, nah, they Air Force Ones though. You gonna get fucked up. Like, dope. But yeah. So they got a little tag they give you. But nah, bro, like, on the real, they legit. These is legit. Like, for real. Big facts. I'm digging these. 100%. 100%. I really like those. I ain't gonna fake it. I really got them for a good price, too. I spent, like, I think like 120. Yeah, Air Force Ones are like $99. I mean, they all red, bro. What you expect? Yeah, some show got in my eye. Like, what the fuck? Oh, what's up in here? Oh, I got something else. Oh. What's something else? Alright. Next box. I also bought the yellow and black dunks. You're gonna see what these looking like. You know what I'm saying? Got all that little info. 10.5. I gotta say, this box, you know, it's a little beat up too, but it probably looks better than all the other ones I've been opening up. You know, it's just a box. Alright. Let y'all check it out first time. Damn. Okay, well, first impression, they kind of wrapped this shit ugly as hell. They just threw these hoes up in there. Honestly, I gotta look at these because these kind of look a little different. Look a little different. Yeah. They look good. They look good. They look good. One thing I think though, bro, they low key look like. I'm trying to peep game, but they almost sometimes they kind of look like somebody rebuilt them or remade them or something. But like, nah, just the way that they feel and how hard and firm it is. It's like there's no way that could be. This is soft. I don't know if it's supposed to be that way. But then again, like this is hard, so I'm like, nah. These are straight. But there go the tag again, making sure everything right. Ooh, they came with some laces too. I see. Ooh, I got black, white, and yellow laces. Facts. That's hard. That's hard. That's hard. I'm digging this. I'm digging it. Yeah. They didn't put this one. They didn't wrap it nice though, like they did the other ones, but they hard, bro. You know what I'm saying? I seen Pikachu. He wears some shit like this, like for real. Yeah, I'm digging it, y'all, for real. These are hard. Let me see. I guess you only get one thing of laces, because ain't no laces up in here. So I guess if I want to mix match, either do white or yellow, or the black and yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow. That old song. Nobody singing it no more. Yo, they hard, yo. Shit. I'm digging them. Now I gotta put them on. What's first?